Welcome to the future of healthcare, where artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we diagnose, treat and manage patients. Yet while the technology advances at lightning speed, many healthcare professionals are left struggling to catch up. This gap is where the AI in Health course steps in. A transformative 5-day program designed to empower healthcare professionals with the skills and knowledge they need to excel in an AI-driven world. Artificial intelligence has the potential to save lives, improve patient outcomes, and streamline healthcare delivery. But there's a problem. Many of today's health professionals are unprepared to harness its full potential. In fact, outdated medical curricula and a lack of ongoing education leave clinicians, nurses, and administrators struggling to adopt AI tools effectively. This gap not only leads to inefficiencies, but also risks patient safety and job satisfaction for health workers. Failing to address the lack of AI training has dire consequences. It can lead to incorrect diagnoses, inefficient workflows, and even medical errors. As AI becomes a cornerstone of healthcare, professionals without training risk becoming obsolete, creating stress and dissatisfaction in an already demanding field. That's why the AI in Health course was developed. This 5-day CPD certified program provides a structured and hands-on approach to mastering AI. With 40 CPD hours and cutting-edge modules, participants will learn foundational AI concepts, ethical considerations, clinical applications, and real-world implementation strategies. It's not just a course, it's a career-transforming experience. Over 5 days, participants will dive into topics such as machine learning, diagnostics, treatment planning, and workflow optimization. They'll explore tools for predictive analytics and patient engagement while learning to mitigate ethical challenges like bias and data privacy. The program even includes simulations and practical exercises using real-world AI tools to ensure participants are job-ready. By the end of this course, healthcare professionals will have the confidence to integrate AI seamlessly into their daily practices. From improving diagnostic accuracy with imaging tools to designing patient-centric AI solutions, participants will be equipped to drive better health outcomes while reducing costs and inefficiencies. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future, it's the present. Don't get left behind. Take the first step towards transforming your healthcare practice with the AI in Health course. Learn, innovate, lead.